Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make natural ice cream. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and your chosen natural flavoring, like vanilla extract or fresh fruit. It's super important that all your dairy is chilled thoroughly. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful homemade treat. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Stir gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Then, incorporate your natural flavoring. For example, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract or about 1/2 cup of fresh fruit puree. Pour this delightful mixture into your pre-chilled ice cream maker and let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Once your ice cream maker has done its magic, you'll have a lovely soft serve consistency. Carefully transfer this into an airtight container. To prevent any icy bits from forming, press a piece of parchment paper or plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the ice cream. Then, place the container in your freezer. For the best, firm texture, allow it to freeze for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. Patience is key for perfect scoops. Before serving your delicious homemade ice cream, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief softening period makes it much easier to scoop and enhances its creamy texture. You can enjoy it plain or elevate it with your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of pure maple syrup. Store any remaining ice cream in its airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.